Are you ready to embark on a culinary adventure that not only tantalizes your taste buds but also nourishes your body with a powerhouse of nutrients? Cooking with superfoods for maximum nutrition is your gateway to a world of ingredients known for their exceptional health benefits and flavor-enhancing qualities. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. In this article, we'll dive into the exciting realm of superfoods, unveiling their nutritional prowess and demonstrating how you can incorporate them into your everyday meals for optimal well-being. 1. The Superfood Revelation. In the opening paragraph, introduce the revelation of superfoods, often celebrated for their extraordinary health benefits. Pique the reader's curiosity by suggesting that this guide holds the key to unlocking the nutritional potential of these exceptional ingredients. 2. Understanding superfoods. Begin by defining what superfoods are and why they are revered in the world of nutrition. Describe how these foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and other compounds that offer a myriad of health advantages. 3. The nutrient powerhouses. Delve into the nutritional power of various superfoods, from kale and quinoa to blueberries and chia seeds. Highlight their exceptional nutrient profiles and their potential to boost your overall health. 4. Incorporating superfoods. Discuss the art of incorporating superfoods into your meals. Offer practical tips on how to use them in everyday recipes, whether it's adding spinach to your morning smoothie or sprinkling flax seeds on your yogurt. 5. Flavor and variety. Explore the diverse flavors and culinary possibilities that superfoods bring to your dishes. Mention how you can experiment with ingredients like turmeric, acai, and goji berries to add both nutrition and unique tastes to your meals. 6. Health benefits. Share insights into the specific health benefits associated with different superfoods. Explain how they can support heart health, brain function, digestion, and even assist in weight management. 7. Balanced superfood diet. Highlight the importance of a balanced diet that includes a variety of superfoods. Encourage readers to create meals that feature a rainbow of colors and flavors, ensuring a wide spectrum of nutrients. 8. The long-term wellness journey. Conclude with the idea that cooking with superfoods isn't just a short-lived trend, it's a lifelong commitment to a healthier, more nourished you. Encourage readers to view their dietary choices as part of a long-term strategy for maximizing nutrition and well-being. By the end of this article, readers will not only understand the significance of cooking with superfoods for maximum nutrition but will also be motivated to embrace these nutrient-rich ingredients in their daily cooking, enhancing both the flavor and nutritional content of their meals. Cooking with superfoods for maximum nutrition is a journey into a world of culinary and nutritional wisdom, where every meal becomes an opportunity to supercharge your health and savor the remarkable benefits that superfoods bring to your table. So, let's embark on this nutritious and flavorful journey together. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.